also there will be forum Kanakpura there will be show.
Okay.
And on 17th it will be in Lahore.
Very good. Happy. Hey, Sultanat, ha? Sultanat, no, you one day cinema. Very good, very good. Don't forget. There is a pineapple also, huh? Ladi there. Okay, very good. Did you like this?
Yeah, I like it. It's really good.
Very good.
Yeah, I like it.
Okay. Nice, nice. Ah. Yes, yes, gini-gini kan. Very good. So happy. Very nice. Ah, so these are our spices. Come on. All good. Yeah, like me. Very good. Layan lang natin po mga package. Very good. Wow. Bali, bali ba?
Yeah, she was done.
Yaman?
Sample.
Yaman, itu yung sakit.
Yaman.
Oh,
Yaman. Pesan kita bagi Yaman.
very good. Be natural. I love your outfit. Happy, yeah? Very good. Mama, yes. Good. So you have the exposure. You are happy with
I'm
it?
very happy.
Very good. I hope that you will sell more and more and more.
Thank you so much.
Yes, all the best. All the best. Hi. I'm so happy that you're here now. How you feel?
Nice.
Nice, no? People are seeing, people are buying.
Yes.
Very good. Very good. And all from Meghalaya, no?
All from Meghalaya, organically grown.
Wow. Very good. I'm so happy. Are you happy that government is giving you this opportunity?
Yes, madam. Thankful to the government for the initiative.
Yes. How many days will you be there to get it?
5 days.
Very good. All the very best. I hope that you get it. Feeling when you leave. Hey. Hi. Play. Sunat ha. Oh, name. Iya lah deh.
Yes, sir.
Yung gayaw kecilnya ikan sebenarnya. These are very good. Very good. Very good. Yeah, I can. No, I can. Takkan mau menang. Very good. So, enjoying the exposure? Yeah. Very good. Makan na. Ilalim mo. Bye mo. Yung utang. Ini utang. Oh. Very good. Ini diberi jumlah penduduk. Diberi state garis tapi diberi. Dia try diberi. Dia. So happy for you. Wow. You've also showcased this.
Yes, ma'am.
And how is it going? Very good. Happy. Yeah.
I want you to try this jam.
What jam is that?
Frozen. People here just love this jam. So once they were making this jam and selling it back in bottles, now they are packaging and all of this. And
Welcome, ma'am.
this is very famous chips from Bangalore.
Yeah.
Very famous. So this
environment, they were selling in white plastic packet, but today they have branding them, labeling. They have got a national market. They were doing for the Bangalore festival.
We are also trying to see how we can reach the Chinese different markets. What we are trying to do is